Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I made the last video. I've been really busy with work, but welcome back. What we're looking at over here is this GOLABS R500. This one, the regular price, as you can see, $449, and currently we can buy it for $221.99. That's like 42% off the listed price. There's a lot of good things about this power stations. You can see here that on this diagram right here, it does have like the LiFePO4 battery, which will last longer, 10 years compared to other ones, and 3,500 cycle charges, and it does have like power delivery 100 watts. So far the review is like 4.5 out of 5, and we got 21 review so far. And let's scroll down. Let's see. With this one, you can charge your laptop, iPads. You know, beautiful, 100 watts. Okay, excellent. And you can use the outlet to charge the power station itself as well. Okay, and you can charge it with solar panel as well, but the solar panel is sold separately. And here you can see many different inputs on off. I'm not gonna go through every single one of them, but you can see it here. Okay, let's go see what else that we need to talk about. And what you're gonna get with this is you're gonna get the GOLABS R500, the one AC wall charger, one car charger, and one MC4 solar charging cable. You can use this cable to plug it into any solar panel and charge it off of that. Pretty nice and easy. And the only downside that I can see with this power station is it only has 90 days warranty. That's it. Okay. Other than that, I think this is a great buy for the 518 watt hours for $261. I think that with all the things that it has, I think it's a no-brainer. You guys have any questions, leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care and enjoy the savings.